How to log in into SBI Credit Card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in SBI Credit Card and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one website, sbicard.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of SBI Card. Now at the top right, you will find the option of login. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now you can use mobile number, user ID or card details to log into your account. Go ahead and select the method. I will be selecting user ID. Type in your user ID. Once you do that, click on proceed. Now you have to type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on this option. With that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on this option of register now and do that as well. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log in into SBI Credit Card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.